Alright, we're going to be doing a repair test on this roof. Marking the shingle that we're going to take out. See the shingles above. We're going to have to take the nails out of the shingle above it and the one above that in order to pull the one shingle out below. Watching, you can see the granules falling off of the shingles now. See, there is some granule loss, and we're just picking it up the small area that he had to. A little bit darker than what the existing is. Not much.
I think it's because of the nail.
Yeah.
Broken.
Is it? See there, you can see that shingle's broken from removing the nail. Because of that, we would actually, by rights, we should replace that one because that's going to be susceptible to the wind. See the granule displacement and loss. Where the slight creasing is occurring just from picking it up to nail the shingles back in place. Take that, mark the one we just replaced. Across the top of it. Yep. Okay. And that was the repair. You can see there is granule loss on it, plus the shingle had torn, which would require more shingles to be, it's really falling off there, just lightly brushing it. Thank you for your time and consideration.